Alrighty, I thought this would be an interesting video to record. So I got the chisel and a hammer, and then I pried this PVC off. What I'm doing is I am cutting the rotted wood and replacing it. So I believe it's a 2x6. Of course, I'll measure it. And then in order to do a straight cut, I got my triangle so you can just rest it on the edge, and I made a line because I'm going to use my circular saw, and then on that line I just screwed in this brace because I've noticed when you do cuts you really need a brace, because even a line for me, maybe a really experienced person, it wobbles, so you want it completely straight so then when you add the next piece of wood it joins. So I'm going to take my circular saw and cut it, but it's really important to wear your glasses, your safety ear muffs or goggles, whatever they are called, and then also to adjust the depth of your saw, so you don't want to go much thicker or much more deep than here. So I adjusted the depth of I have a 5.5-inch Ryobi, just a little bit over where I need to cut. And you know, I could go over the cut if I need to, and then I'll use a pry bar to pull this cut apart, but I'll show you that when I'm done. Alright, so that looks like a pretty nice and straight cut, and I'm just going to take the pry bar to take it off, but first I'm going to unlock this, and it's a little bit above the line because that's the guide of the circular saw will raise it up a bit, but that's fine. All I need is a similar wood, an exterior treated one, and I'll show you more of the process, but I'm going to pry it off with my pry bar and remove this first. So we're on our way.